Welcome back to part 4 of the 69 Mach 1 Mustang restoration. Been a long time since I posted a video, but had a lot of things been going on, a lot of little things been messing with on the car, and we got the engine stuff in a couple months ago, and been working on a lot of little details. And you see here, went in pretty smoothly, didn't have any issues. Took a little bit getting the motor mounts, everything lined up, but engine's a 408 strokers, the 351 Windsor, and aluminum heads, intake, everything on it. Should be a pretty stout motor. Transmission's the standard 4-speed top loader transmission with the Hurst shifter. Put new synchros and a couple of gears in it, so should hold up to a little bit of abuse. You can see here I got the power steering pump, factory style pump with a aluminum bracket and pulleys and everything, so it looks a little nicer. But and I got a radiator overflow tank, everything mounted. Brake booster. I have the hydraulic throwout bearing with the Willwood slave cylinder. That was pretty tight fit getting it down in there, and I still got to run my brake lines and everything. I had to make a little bracket here for the fill tank on it, but I'm gonna have to find a spot to put the proportioning valve for the brake lines and everything. It's supposed to go in that corner, but it isn't going to quite fit. MSD Blaster 2 coil mounted in from the head. Here's just a little walk around. I got the instrument cluster and everything in there. I wrapped it with the red carbon fiber to kind of go with the classic red that came on the Mach 1s. Looks a little better than that wood grain they had. I ain't a big fan of that stuff. There's a lot of little details, been working on, so probably be a little while before I get another video out about this car or get it running, but it's slowly getting there. I just want to make sure I take my time and do things how I want to do it. MSD AL1, I think, ignition box, 7,000 RPM, rev limiter and everything. And that's all for today, so thanks for watching.